Katika chelo da manendo mar Jofuambo Media Council of Kenya kurubago kanyendo oro munendo mar Tiego Jofuambo mugo kagwenge magimbo mar piny Kenya mora kanyanza ewi kaka koro ginyalo timo ikruok motelo ne yiero maiga manyien mar 2027 nyasi kata tiegruok mabende obagi kaunti ni ma Kisumu mana kaka Jofuambo mar Wajesta Sadoyo leronwa.
Duol magayo kendo nono rang'eny matij Jofuambo e pacho kaendi Media Council of Kenya tieto jachiel koda Kenya Red Cross gikone to koro ne okawo kinde kendo timo training kata puonj ne Jofuambo mopogore opogore mabende wuok West Kenya region anyeto motelo ne yiero ma 2027 e tok mare moyiedhi kod Kala TV e boma maduong' ma Kisumu. Achiel kuom apisas go mag MCK Migosi Victor Bwire lero kithor kendo chenro mar puonj kata tiegruok maket kod maendi.
As you are aware, we launched our election guidelines on 14th August. We also launched a project, countdown, it's called the 2027 election countdown. And here we are running trainings jointly with others and ourselves, Media Council alone. Like this one, we are working with the Red Cross. And the training is about for journalists from the counties around here on elections reporting. We're already aware that the date for elections has already been announced, and the media will play a very critical role in reporting and covering the election by way of giving space for candidates, for political parties to air out their ideas and views and manifestos.
Kabende Migosi Bwire koro lero ni Jofuambo nteko tich machal nade kendo in kod nengo machal nade e kinde yiero mabiro ma 2027.
Would be a critical player in this election, and especially when it's happening in a digital era where there's a lot of misinformation, disinformation, and rest. And information manipulation. So we have taken it upon ourselves and colleagues to empower journalists, sensitize journalists on critical things on election reporting, including focus on the substance of the election rather than color and strategy, the issues of gender-sensitive reporting, safety of journalists, conflict as is already seen. There's a lot of push and pull among our various political players in the region.
Bedede okawo kinde maket kod mano e chwalo ote mare bowuok Media Council of Kenya kono ne Jofuambo duto e pacho kaendi.
One of you is injured, or if you have had information that that area will be volatile, you alert your colleagues so that they avoid the area. You know, so we must also, there are some things we must do, but media houses must also do. There are now very cheap insurances that can insure equipment, can insure you your life. So we are also encouraging people to come together, journalists as a team, and get insurance against their lives and against the equipment, because we also see a lot of equipment being destroyed, and a number of this equipment journalists have bought by their own money. It's not, for example, media house. So a lot also depends on us, but we are also activating through the Kenya media sector.
Migosi Bwire menonoti okothuolo maket kod maendi e siemo wang' jotelo maliki mokale pacho kaendi mamende osebedo katiyo kod agoko kendo kelo njore kinde yiero mabiro kanyakla koda mago mabende osekalo chien.
That our communities must be here, and that's what I was saying, the issue of priming. The media and others must help communities understand that election is a democratic process that comes and goes. It's not a life and death. Why do people fight and kill us to go to parliament? You see, that principle, that service leadership, I'm going to parliament to represent, or the MCA assembly to represent my people. But if once it becomes, then it becomes like it's trade. Why is it that makes you life and death for you to die, to kill another, to go to parliament? You see, we have made, because leadership, you remember that time, people would go to serve their people. There was no CDF, there was no all these things. And people would just go, and people were known like Martin Shukuku. They were just known because of standing with the community in parliament, raising issues that affect their community. There was no issue for money and what. But right now, parliament has also become so commercial.
Kala TV Kuke County ma Kisumu and Justice Sadoyo.